I would imagine he's probably a 7-footer. I am curious to what he is. Wouldn't it be great if he was a hammer?
That'd be awesome.
Again, we don't have a tape measure, but we got an idea. We got a rope. Let's measure him on the rope.
All right.
And then I think he's definitely on there.
Tail rope's about what, 6 feet? I'll measure it out.
Again, for the health of the shark, guys, we like to bring them in quick. My biggest is an 8.5 tiger out here. I'm not going to disclose the location of where I got that. Frankly, I'd rather me not. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See that rod tip? Maybe he is.
Yeah, he's moving.
Oh, all right, he's going again with about 50 pounds of drag. Put it up to 60. He does not want to come in.
Man, they're porn directors who have better camera skills than I got.
All right, I'm playing with him at 60 right now. He's cooperating with 60, no issues. Okay, maybe some issues. It's like he hits that sandbar and he just doesn't want to go past it. Yep, there he is again, see? 60 pounds. That's what I got my, I set it, see, he's just taking it. See, he's definitely fighting it. Look at him. He's taking 60 pounds of drag, and he's going, he's rolling with it. All right, so let's go with 70. He's taking about 70 pounds of drag. He stopped. 70's a bit much for this guy. This thing has up to 100. Well, you know what? Actually, yeah, that's probably a 270 pounds. It's not out that far anymore. There he is. He's definitely on. Look at that. I lean back, whatever. And I'm 220 pounds, so this shark is probably smaller than the other one I think I had. See him struggle right there?
Yep.
Sammy? This is why you got big gear. Again, he's probably a mid-class shark. Hey, you want to show the drag I've got on here? Go on the other side.
I'll tell you what, if I can't figure out how to get a light on this camera and have it working better.
He's fighting me.
If it wasn't $400, I'd float test it.
This right here is about, well, it says full drag, but it's not. Wow, he doesn't want to come. Maybe he is bigger.
Might be, man.
Maybe he's a hammer. Because tigers I've experienced don't fight this hard.
Well, if he is a 10-foot tiger, I'll tell you what. I'll take the rod and you can put the rope on him.
Look at that. He's fighting me. He ain't going nowhere. By the way, how far this was a deep run, wasn't it? About.
Yeah, you're about 500 yards off. Four or five.
Dark. I run him out in the dark, guys. So
yeah, it's
no issues there.
Your light looked pretty small. I'd say you're a couple hundred yards out at least.
Maybe he is bigger than I. Maybe I got my 10-footer, guys.
Well,
right, I'm just gonna wear him out a little. It's a standstill because he ain't going nowhere. Actually, he is.
I'm hoping for a second hit, just not right now.
I've got really good hooks in here. They're the Norman Bateman kind of hooks, the 16 nose. I believe in big hooks because I don't like to deep throat them. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, either I foul hooked him or he's just a big shark. North Carolina has some big sharks, gentlemen.
Yes, they do.
Look at that rod bend. See that rod bend, guys? And he's trying to take it.
That's a stumpy too, man.
I've been working on it for what, about 20 minutes now?
About.
And this is a 130 class reel, guys. In fact, this is full drag almost.
You still pulling?
I'm gonna lean back. All right. Now technically, my knee's messed up, otherwise I'd lean back, you know, do all the right things, pull them. But I got a bad knee. So I'm just gonna sit with them. See that? He's taking it about, see, full drag actually should be up here. I don't know what's going on with that. But he's taking full drag. Whatever this full drag is set. Oh man. He does not want to come over that sandbar. I'll tell you what, you want to take a light, he can't be that far out. He might be stuck on that sandbar out there. I mean, look, I'm leaning back now. See that? I'm leaning completely back. He is completely supporting my weight. It's on full drag and he's taking stuff. Look at that. Watch it be hung up by something. Oh, there's something.
Yeah, a little clump of seaweed, man. That'd be the end of it. We'd both go home. You know, my camera skills
really
will
think,
never
honestly, I think he's on that sunbar out there. I bet if you walk out there, buddy, with the light, you'll probably see him on the sandbar.
What I can do is give me your number.
Okay, good. How's that phone doing? Is that good? Is that better?
Oh, this is perfect, buddy.
I don't think your face is showing that much.
Oh, this is perfect. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sweet. All right, we got to let him go. Get in here.
I'm going to take a picture on my phone, all right? And give me your number when we're done.
All right, I will. But... Is that good?
Is that
good?
All right, can you hold this, sir?
Yeah, I can.
Try to record
Yeah,
this real
let me
quick.
hold that for you.
This is once in a lifetime for me.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, you ready, guys?
Yeah.
This is perfect right here. Try it like that. Okay, guys, we're on again. Sammy is on. Sam, how's it feel to be fighting a big boy? He's fighting, he's going on the duel. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not.
Yeah.
There's a duel. There's a drag.
He ran 2 or 3 times, man. He's on there.
Yeah, he's on there.
Huh?
Yeah, he's on there.
Yeah, he's on there.
Guys, he's on there. He's a nice boy.
Always a cigarette in my mouth. Like that dude from Triple X.
All right, this is Sammy. See, this is a new video. I hope it's recording. It is. 2 minutes and 11 seconds he's been on.
I don't think he's as big as yours. It might be. I don't know.
It might be another tiger. Hopefully it's a hammer or something. Man, we've had so many tigers, it's unreal. Every trip to this day, I've caught a tiger. You realize that? Every single trip I've been on.
This is my first good fight.
This is Sammy's first good fight. How's it feel to be a part of Big Team Trouble?
Oh, I'm happy about it.
You like it? It's cool to be put on sharks, isn't it, buddy?
Cool. Wait. Oh, yeah, he's on there.
All right.
Happy.
Good. He's going away from the rocks. That's real good.
He's sitting out for a sec.
All right. How close is he? Oh, he's way out there, too.
Yeah, it's going to take me a minute.
All right, boy. This is going to be about a 20-minute fight or so.
And he's pulling away from the rocks now. I can feel him.
Pulling away from the
And
rocks.
he's coming towards you.
Team Big Trouble. This is number 13, isn't it?
14.
14.
By the end of this weekend, we might catch Requiem.
Hey, you never know, man. I don't know. They got a good jump start on us, man.
Keep hitting like this, man. That's 2 in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but we haven't even got...
All right, he got real slack real quick.
So that means that he's probably... Yeah, pull. Just reel in.
He's on there, right?
Reel in, yeah. Back and forth.
Yeah, he's on there. Feeling it.
He's real close, guy. I'm going to go get him. All right, this is Sammy with the shark. Is that right? All right, this is Sammy's shark. This is number 14 for Team Big Trouble. We're on it. We're going to let him go now.
All right.